Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the week ahead video. In this video, we're going to be looking at the FX pairs and how the market cycle is playing at the minute, and we'll be identifying trade opportunities within that market cycle. Before I do that, I must read a risk warning to these. Synergy Markets is a regulated institution by the FCA. However, the trade signal service it provides is not regulated because trade signals aren't personal recommendations. So be aware of that as a retail customer. You're not going to be protected. Let's start. So May has been a choppy month, lots of false starts, big news. Typically sell in May, come back St. Leger's Day. We're definitely seeing vibes of a difficult market, but we're trying to keep consistent and we are finding good trades. I have cut a lot of trades as well at entry after seeing them run. But yeah, let's try and cover through them from the beginning here. We start with AUD CAD. So AUD CAD is playing to us a pattern at the minute that I can see. We're on the left here, this 1, 2, 3 up. You can see that this could be considered a consolidation zone, but I just think it's a break and a retest here. So I'm going to move my 2 here, my 1 here, and my 3 up here. This may be the start of a 1, 2, 3 up, but at the minute I can see 1, 2, 3 down. We have completed 1, 2, 3 up, and we are up this previous highs. It's all about breaking here to continue the pattern. That could be an M, really could be, but otherwise there's nothing low hanging there. So just going to move on. ADCHF, I really like it. I can identify this as a level 1, and I can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is where we want to be, a higher low point. We identified this small change, break, entry. We entered here and we can see 1, 2, and I anticipate a 3 up. There's lots of red candles here to gobble up. And we're making some nice moves. Nothing sequencing though. No 2 weeks into 3 weeks that I can see. It's another really nice looking setup. As you can see off the bottom, W, high, 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 low. This is a level 1 consolidation, 1, 2, 3 into consolidation, 1, 2, 3 into consolidation. And I expect further upside on this. It is counter trend, however. This pattern here, AUD USD, is a beautiful pattern. Again, we're not sure if we're going to go higher. If we get above here, we are going to go higher. Bigger picture, we are down at these areas here. So counter trend at the minute, it's looking. I believe it's going to come down and test down here. We just need to get involved when we can see it. We're trading off the ascending trend line at the minute. Are we going to move lower? There's nothing really giving us any easy entries into this that I can see. We did have 1 day, 2 days, and we did get the third low come in, and we've retested this break properly twice. Is that the end of it? I don't know. It could be an A, B, C, D. We'll have to wait and see how that plays out. But for now, there's nothing really there for us. CAD CHF is one that I do have my eye on. We do have a Gartley pattern here, which is enticing to say the least, if I can just draw it out for you. This is a wonderful looking setup. We didn't quite get down here. We got 3 hits to the low here. If I can just measure the retracement, it may give us a clue of, this is a Gartley off the 61.8, but it is still lower lows, lower highs ultimately until here. Well, we've made a change, a valid change. I'm onto it. I want to see a change and a break. So far, we've only got the change of character. When we get the break, I'll be interested, and this will be an activated opportunity. Let me just save that. 1 second, guys. So this is a really nice setup. It's one of the nicest setups I've seen in a long time. As you can see, we are seeing the same thing, high highs and high lows. I do believe that that is a level 1 consolidation being served up to us here. Let me just draw it. This for me is level 1. I'm expecting level 2, and I'll just save that here. Moving on. This is another one I liked, CAD JPY. Why do I like it? Well, you can see in front of you the high highs, high lows. That means it's trending. And let me just get it back to where I need it to be. For me, it was this break up here. This is the change. We need to see more. We need to see the break and the change. Bear with me. So we are seeing what we need to see here. Obviously, this didn't play out as I expected, but it's one for the watch. Moving on, Euro AUD, down trending. We've closed all of this. Back to the lows, lower highs at the minute have been noted. So we can't do anything until that changes in our favor, but we have come back into a deep retrace. The pattern is here, level 1, level 2, level 3. We've nearly completed the ABCD. Above this consolidation zone, I can see 1, 2. We normally third new high, so I do anticipate that. EuroCAD, really nice situation. We're in level 2 consolidation. We are in this. We have had TP1. We got in down here. We had all of this, and hopefully we can get this to kick on because we've had the 3 weeks of drop. and the market should only run off 3 weeks or 3 months or 3 days. Missed the 78.6. It's okay other than that. Euro NZD, this is another one that's just sort of meandering lower at the minute. Market cycle wise, we are sat off the area you want to see. We've had 2 clear pushes above the second zone of consolidation, but the pattern is nearly complete. We may get another test of that high. I'd believe so. Euro USD, this again is off the targeted entry for longs. I could see 1, I could see 2, and I do anticipate a third higher. This is a massive level 1 consolidation. It looks really good. GBP AUD, similar to Euro AUD and Euro NZD, we're off the targeted entry zone at the minute. I can see 2 pushes above level 2 consolidation, anticipating a third. GBP CAD, beautiful pattern, level 1, level 2, staircasing higher. It's bullish. I don't believe there's any low-hanging fruit here for us. Can't say the word fruit, but we do have 2 sort of gradual weeks of rise here. We have a week of rise. We started here and ended here. That's 2 weeks. We are anticipating the third week for next week. So it's definitely one to be watched. This is another really nice setup that I do believe in. You see it on the favorable time frame where I see it. For me, this is a level 1 consolidation and high highs, high lows into level 2. Let me just see if this has been drawn on the 4. Yeah, it's easier to see on the 4. So 1, 2, 3 makes a level. I do anticipate higher prices on this. Nothing easy in terms of but we do have 2 weeks of rise. That's major. That is major. 1 week, 2 weeks. We know we're going to get a third. That's the power of 3 in trading. The fractal nature of the pattern on the big time frame and the small time frame. GBP USD, we did take this one yesterday. We got a plus 15, plus 25 down here. Where did we actually get in? We got in here, gave us a heart attack, and then gave us what we wanted. High, 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 low, retest of the low. This is a trade similar to EU. This is level 1 consolidation. And you can clearly see high, 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 low, high, 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 low off the targeted entry, which means we could be going higher. NZD USD, nightmare really, but gathering at the 50, ready to break out from the lows of level 1 consolidation. Is there any low-hanging fruit for us? Let's see. There isn't. So there's no easy trade. NZD USD is trading off the lows. Well, let's have a look. It's massive opportunity short, level 1, level 2. Is it going to get to the ascending trend line? Maybe. We're off the lows. There could be some more retesting. This is sort of like first interruption in price. Are we going to get 2 and then 3? Maybe. Difficult to know. No point gambling. Ripple under pressure today, as is Stellar and Bitcoin. I'll go over those. Gold chopping at the top. Looks like we're in a bit of a high here, especially when you look at the market cycle. Level 1, level 2, 1, 2, and a massive 3. Markets don't normally end on those sort of spikes. You'll get a few retests of that. Silver really trying to do its thing. Silver 1, 2, 3 to the high. I need to look at it closer. Really, what have we got going on here? 1. This all looks like a very choppy 2. Ultimately long, but not seeing that. That's not pretty for me to see. Stellar. Pretty crap, really. Stellar is suffering at the minute at the lows. US 500 just continues to find higher prices, romping away. For me, that's bound to, this is 1, this is 2, it's bound to give us a 3, potentially all the way up to there. I have to wait and see. US 500, this is another one that I really like. There's the pattern 1, 2, 3. We're at the previous high, which makes me think, is that it? But we do have this Gartley with an ABCD in the second leg. In the CD leg. This is what we have on the lower time frame. We have an ugly W and we have a level 1 consolidation is how I see that at the moment. I'm waiting personally for 1 to get up here, break the high, take the long. Looks really good. ECHF is also showing me some pretty decent action. This isn't a level 1, but it is a consolidation zone. This, I believe, is the level 1 consolidation. But what I'm trying to say is it's high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. And these are the sort of things we want to look for. But other than that, folks, that's pretty much all I have. There's a couple of things to mention. If any of you are interested in learning the methodology, please reach out to me because I do offer tuition. And we do have a course available. For those that want to engage, because obviously the signal service I provide in a regulated environment, there's no chat, there's no two-way chat, but I do have a separate chat room under my personal tag. I've called it MelonsTrade. the group. You can find it by typing in MelonsTrade, or you can ask me and I can send you a link. We're all talking about patterns and if you've drawn this correctly, and it's sort of like a bit of an academy community group. And other than that, any other questions, just message me at Synergy Signals. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I wish you all the best. Cheers.